Okay, so I messed up a little bit, but that's okay. We mixed this together, the lavender, right? These ones right here. I didn't do the lavender. I did these. This one, I don't know how to say it. Calendula. Okay, but anyways, so I'm gonna keep that on, and then this one, I'm just gonna mix it like this. It turns like milky white. It's not as thick as it should be. I should probably add a little bit more, a little tiny bit more, because it's more watery than it is thick. If that makes sense, Ken? It's a little too watery. See? That's why you need more powder. I just realized that. Okay, so I'm gonna have the whole food chain on my face. But it'll be fun. This is fun for any holiday gifting or anything like that. I would give it. You know, it's a good gift. It's fun. You know, our 6-year-old would want it if she doesn't want to show her videos, but I think it's fun. My mom would like this. You know what? Give her something to do on the Sundays. You know, I think it's fun.
A little more.
More than that?
Yeah. Supposed to be 3 of those.
Okay, that'd be good enough. So, somebody's at our door again. And on Sunday, we don't know anybody here. Be knocking. Don't answer it. I'm doing a video. Okay, so we're gonna mix it. Who keeps knocking? Huh? Huh?
Drunk girl.
You seen him? Huh?
Yeah, wobbling back and forth.
Oh, on a Sunday?
You recording?
Yeah. I didn't touch it. It's okay though. Does it look good? Is it funny? It looks funny. It's funny though.
Looks better than the last one.
Oh yeah? Okay. I mean, the last one will look good, right? It's just I didn't add water, right?
Good job. There you go, my baby.
Yeah, we'll do hers. She's in her room. I gotta finish. I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse. Good thing I had my hair back a little bit. Oh, I'm not done yet. Help me. I can't see it, Ken. I can't see. What am I missing? Any spots?
No, it's good.
Right here?
Good enough.
Is it good? Okay. Okay, so it's good. Ken's going to use the rest, right? There's a lot still in here that I can't really put some on. Alright, and bye, hit subscribe, and we'll be doing some giveaways soon. I'll be showing how to add this on after I rinse all this off. So, bye! In the mail, it's a white kaolin clay. I can never really say the name. But we're going to mix this and this, and then we're going to put it on my face. So this is the same skincare that I did last week with my daughter. And then this came with it too. This is detox mask. You can also, I think, buy it. I've seen it at Walmart, but I got it from them. Thank you guys. So we're going to smash it with this. Alright, we're going to go and we're going to take this. I've never done this before, so I hope I don't put too much out. Just unscrew it. Oh, powder comes out right away. And then just a little bit I'm just going to do. Because you can make 4 masks, I think. They say a piece, but I'm just going to do my cheeks. So you take it. Be very careful because it'll get powder all over the place. And then we're going to switch this side, which I don't know what kind of oil they want me to put in. You know what I mean? I don't know if there's oil in between here. I'm just going to put a couple of those in there. And then, I don't know if there's anything under here. Let me see. There might be. Yeah, maybe there's something in between here. Let me see. If not, I'll just mix it with my, those oils, those capsules, you know. Oh no, it's just to keep it together. So now we know. Now we know that it comes together like that. Put it together. Okay. So I guess we're gonna take some of this then, just to mix it. This is the these capsules. And I don't know how to cut this, maybe? Cut it? I don't know if it'll break easily or what, or if I should take scissors to it, maybe. Yeah, maybe grab me some scissors, because I don't think there's no cutter thing on here. This is the detox mask. Charcoal and white clay. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit on here too. Charcoal. Put some of the charcoal in here just to try it. We'll try some of that charcoal too. This is cool. I seen a smaller kit they had at Walmart the other day.
Careful, this
for half the price.
splatter all over.
I know. I'm just going to do like that. There we go. It's already on there. You just drip it in there like that. I like it. Maybe I could try to save some. You know, that's what I'm trying to do. You know? Okay.
I'll probably use all of it.
Should I?
Yeah.
No, there's half. I could save it in here, right?
It's going to leak out.
Ah, it's going to leak out. Okay, so probably use it all.
How do you go?
Oh, there it goes. Okay. I'll put some on there now. Ooh. Oh my god. It smells good. It smells good. I don't even know what's in this oil. I didn't even read the brand name yet, but it smells good. I'll read it in a minute. But yeah, that was cool. Doesn't have a bad smell. You know what I mean? Like, doesn't smell like medicine or nothing like that. Okay, so I guess we'll take... Oh, I don't know what I want to... I'll just do my hands. Screw it. Oh, okay, cool. It looks like that. I'm just going to mix it with my finger because it's going to go on my face anyway. Have clean hands when you're doing this so you don't break out. Yes, I know. But yeah, you definitely got to use the whole thing like you said, because it's not going to have enough to like stick to your face. Is it sticking? It's harder than it looks. Maybe you got to smash it some more? What do you think? It'll work. I forgot my mirror. It's on the floor, but it only says for a couple minutes to leave this on, so we'll see. I'll just put it on these areas.
Don't get in there.
Right? I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know what those seeds are supposed to do, but that's the hard part. Kind of trying to get those seeds stuck to my face, you know what I mean? But the oil works. I like the oil. If you want just to have oil, I would just use.
Probably don't have to have seeds stuck to your face. It's just...
Yeah, you do.
It probably just mixes with the oil, whatever's in the seeds.
Oh. Yeah, but there's no way around it. See, they're in different things. See, it comes like that. See it? I didn't read the instructions too well, but it'll work though.
Obviously.
That's how they like it. That's a good one. I mean, you could probably eat the seeds even.
You should probably read the instructions next time.
Yeah.